The TOTOLINK A850R is a long-range wireless dual-band AC router. There is up to 1187 megabits per second Wi-Fi speed, 4 high-gain antennas and high output power in 2.4G ensure stable wireless connection and extend Wi-Fi coverage to reduce dead spots. First, connect the modem to A850R's Internet yellow port. Then power on the Wi-Fi router. For Wi connection, please connect your router's orange LAN port to your PC network interface. You can see the power, Internet, Wi-Fi and connected LAN indicators are lighting. The CPU is flashing. That means your router is working normally. For easy setup, wire and Wi-Fi connection show different. When your PC connects to the router by cable, you need to open a browser, type in 192.168.1.1. Then the router's login page shows up. Enter admin for both username and password. Now you have get into the easy setup page. First, choose the internet mode and enter correct user account and password provided by your ISP. Then 5G wireless SSID and password setup. Finally, set up the 2.4G wireless network name and password. Click Apply Changes. Setting successfully. Click Finish. Now you can see the status of A850R. Try any website to test the internet. Connected. For Wi-Fi devices first connected to the router, please go to Settings. Choose any one of the router's default SSID. No password required. After connected, the login page will pop up automatically. Then you can do the configuration same as wire connection. So easy.